Uh, let's freshen up to some light so I can film today's video. Okay guys, now we're set. Today I'm gonna be doing a review on the 2013 Toyota Sienna LE. I'm gonna start with the interior features before I go to the exterior. So let me talk about this car. Let me set it right here. Okay, so this car, it has around, I would say around 316 horsepower. Yeah, 316 horsepower. A lot of torque. This car, it's more not built for racing, but more built for that heavy duty. So, a little bit about this car. It's a 2013 model. The exterior is silver. Okay, 1 second. Let me turn off this light. Okay, exterior is silver, which is one of the nicer colors on it. The interior, you could tell it's a silver finish. And this car runs a base MSRP of around $31,000 in the LE model. There are 3 models, the SE, LE, and XLE. SE standing for Standard Edition, LE standing for Limited Edition, and XLE standing for Extra Limited Edition. So this is an LE right in the middle. It's perfect, like, it has what you need, but it's not overdone. Also at a great price. So, let's begin the features. Keep the door open because it's hot outside. But yeah, I moved to the passenger seat so I could show you the infotainment system. So basically, right here you've got this big dash panel, left and right steering wheel. You've got your basic lights. I can turn on the lights for you. This is, I don't know if it comes up, but you can see a slight dim of it. But it turns on to this digital panel, if you see right here. So if I move my camera a little bit and come out here, you can see on the digital panel, it shows you the RPM, which I really like for car enthusiasts. It shows the miles per hour, fuel, heating, cooling, all that. So if I push my camera down here a little bit, what I can show you is right here, the infotainment. You get the volume buttons, track buttons, CD, all the good infotainment. What I like that's different about this car from the others, okay, let me turn off the light, is that this car right here has its shift right up here. So when you're driving, you could just pull it up, and yeah, that's what's pretty cool about this one. Okay, I'm back. This is a weird position, but gotta catch those views. Up here we've got both the lights. We've got the we got the doors. I couldn't get that right on the top of my head. We've got the door light. I have that off because the door is open, obviously, and then we've got the main light. So that's pretty cool up there. We've also got places to keep your glasses, but you don't have to open it up all the way. You can open it like this, and if you see from here, there is a mirror up there. So yeah, that's pretty cool, I must say. Obviously the doors are sliding door. You can toggle the sliding door from in here. You could just click power door right there, or up there, as I showed you before. So the rear also has its own console where you could control your temperature and everything. So the thing about this is that you can rotate it any direction you want and then close it. So yeah, that's one feature. Another feature, coat hook, all that. But this feature, you've got storage there, and then you could open this up for extra storage, but you've already got storage here. You wonder why you got 4 cup holders when there are only 2 seats in the back. Yes, I will show you Look in the back. You see this seat? This seat detaches, and you could put it right up there. Pretty cool, right? Also here, we've got more storage on both sides. Same AC setup. Lots of space back here. Around 20 cubic feet. But yeah. We've got the seat belts in the back. So how you open the rear seats, if you want to, is pull this up. And then you could pull the seats up there. Also, you get a little bit of more storage underneath this when you pull the seat up. So yeah, that's pretty cool.